This video will be a full guide to pursuing IIT Madras PS or any other online degree along with an offline degree. Now, if you're opting for dual degree, you have two modes, light mode and high difficulty mode. Let's discuss each mode specifically. In high difficulty mode, you do IIT Madras PS along with an offline degree. In this case, the offline degree would obviously be intensive and time consuming, and IIT Madras PS would be as time consuming as the offline degree, if not more. Now, the trade-off in this case would be that you will be mainly focusing on academics and you would have less time for building things on your own or just experimenting. But the good part is that you would have a much higher safety net and a more structured career pathway if you want to go for higher education or want to sit in campus placements. Number two is light mode. You do an offline degree, but along with that, you don't do IIT Madras PS, you do a relatively less intensive course. Maybe you want to get more institutional credibility or you want to learn about a topic that your current offline degree does not cover. In that case, you can do an online degree from IGNOU, some private university or Coursera courses. They definitely don't have the credibility that IIT Madras PS have, but they give you a lot of time to experiment things on your own and just learn about what you're interested in, which I think is really important at this age. And you must be wondering why I'm not mentioning the third option, which is skipping offline college. And yes, you can do that, but I won't recommend that because there's much more to life than just academics and career. I made that mistake of not going to an offline college and I don't want you to do the same. But anyways, if you still want to do an online degree as standalone, then I've made a detailed video about that. That would be link in description. You can watch that. And that's it. Subscribe to the channel and bye.